You run into a lot of bands and probably like way more than like the kind of average, but you just got like so unlucky with absolutely everything.
It was pretty funny actually, yeah.
It was like so unlucky with absolutely everything. Why did you keep going? Because a lot of people in your position would have actually given up, I think. Like a lot of people are just lazy and just kind of, they have no level of consistency. They want to see immediate fucking results. They want to see money in their bank the first week, right?
Yeah.
But you kind of start going through those bands and through those problems, and then now you're kind of, touch wood, you're kind of clear,
things
right?
are starting to at least gain some momentum. That's a good question. I mean, if I set my mind to something, I don't just give up. Like it's kind of like fucking Hormozy said this, and I thought it was very true. Like, if you just keep running, like don't stop, eventually you're gonna get to the end, the finish line. It just might take me longer than 12 months. Like some of the geezers are doing 30k months now, and like that's fine. I know I'll do 30k months. It just might take me 6 months longer, and I knew that. Like, and it's just being a bit patient too. I'm maybe a little bit older than most of the guys, so I've got a little bit more fucking life experience and know that things just take time. And I'm happy to put in the time because it'll all be worth it in the end. And fuck, bro, I think it's always a test. Like, I always see things as a test. It's like, this is just a test to see how bad I want it. That's literally, that's what I say. When something goes hard, I'm like, it was never meant to be easy, and this is just a test to see how bad you want it.
That's good, yeah. And it's good that you used kind of the results of other people as motivation, as not like demotivation. Because a lot of people look at that and they're like demotivated, like, oh, I didn't do that, I didn't do this. And even like me, like back in the day, like I would see people doing like a a year into their journey, and I'm doing like 300k a month. I'm like, oh no, 300k a month, like
I'm a failure.
You've
done 6 figures.
Yeah, exactly.